I just inherited a family farm, and we're coming up to it. I got my brother in the car here. Hello. Yeah, so we're going. So it smells like you forgot to brush his teeth this morning. Alright, so apparently they got a semi-truck right outside. Oh, there, that would be it. Oh! Yeah, apparently they used that for a long time, and now it's just sitting there. Got nothing. But, yeah, this is the house. Nice looking house. This guy, I'm just gonna park my truck. I don't think it'll fit in the garage. So park it right there. Yeah. My brother, he's going off to go, he's gonna go check out the house. Oh, we got a Jeep in here. I think I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this Jeep out. I'm gonna go check out the shed. Ooh, it's nice. Yeah, this farm went down just a little bit ago. It's a pretty small farm. Whoa, it slides. So yeah, this is the machine shed. Eddie had, I see a bunch of equipment in there. Just gonna get up the Jeep. Yep, while it's still moving. Open up this door. Holy cow! Oh, what the heck is this? Holy cow! Grain truck. Alright, nice. John Deere 350. Oh, let's see. I don't know if the lights on. The battery's probably dead. 4455. I'm not gonna say that because I don't know. And oh my gosh, the heck! Just push this over here. Yeah, that's good. Got a plow. Got a mower. And lawn looks like it needs mowed. But I noticed there's another garage here. Big text. Ooh. Oh my god. Look at this thing. Oh, we're definitely going to be using that at some point. I don't know when, but we'll be using it. Because it's not. I'm going to go check up on my brother, see what he's doing here. The house. Oh! Just got it. I just got this. Oh. Ooh. Some of the stuff. Are you okay? Step ladder. Step ladder. It's okay. Well, I think I do need to go see if these tractors are running. You left the toolbox. I guess we'll have to see what's in that. It's a goodie bag. Ah! What the heck? This Jeep is from Temu. Oh! Yeah, just move the Jeep. Just stick this toolbox. What the heck? Okay, we'll just leave without the toolbox, I guess. Tish came to go grab a toolbox. The yard looks like it needs mowing. This place needs work. That's for sure. I think mowing the yard's the first thing we'll get to doing. I'm remembering now. They took it out just because it was leaking all over the place and. All right, let's see. See here, grain truck. This might not work, but Dang. Yeah, I'll have to get that guy. This guy, I really hope this works. Dang. Let's try it again. Oh, it worked! That's my brother's game. Oh, this thing doesn't steer. Well, we thought it would be a good idea to strap a V8 engine to a gaming chair. Well, my ass. I'm gonna get this thing back. This is wrong. There ain't no way I'm back home. I'll come pick it up later. So, yeah, see you guys back there. Alright, just made it home. Oh my gosh. Long walk. I guess we're not showing him the thing yet because we gotta go get it. I've been told very little about this place, this cool property. I heard that there was 2 big Texas. There's a little big Tex. And dang it, we're just sitting here wasting good diesel. But yes. Oh, I already hit it. Oh my gosh. This is going to be a very sad farming experience. But hey, we'll get the couch on, see if my brother wants to give it a try, and we'll give him a little try. He's going to be leaving later today. He just wanted to come check it out. Yeah, we're just going to tow it with the Jeep. Let it stay here. I don't care if it rusts. I really don't. That's like the only thing he left me last time. But, we'll have chaos. So, I'm going to park the trailer back right where it was. We do have a gooseneck here. Yo. So yeah, we're on the farm. I think tomorrow we are going to start doing some work. We're going to start doing some cultivating and some planting. So yeah, see you guys then. Alright, today is the day of not plowing. The fields are already plowed and stuff. Slides. I don't think I'll be having this as a daily driver for much longer, but we are going to do our fields today. Did I take a wrong turn? The heck, man. I just want to go home. Oh, we'll take the road track. Trying to get home. We're gonna need to buy some seeds. So I gotta just remember that, and I did not bring anything to buy seeds with. We probably are also gonna need a forklift. Now that I think about it. So we're gonna buy a forklift too. So I mean, it's not like we're broke or anything. Actually, no, I can't take my truck. Tried the other day. Gooseneck didn't. Dang it, I left the shop door open. Keep doing that. So yeah, we're gonna go buy a forklift. And some seeds. Gotta get. I'll let it warm up for a second. I got distracted yesterday, but I was told all the tractors are in working condition. Looks like we got... How does this keep happening? It looks like we have everything we need for baling. And we got some fertilizer store. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's get a... Alright, close up the tail. Tailgate. Yeah, this is a nice truck. Weird. I think he had a delivery. Oh my gosh. I'm new here. I don't really know what's going on. But I'm pretty sure he had a delivery service. But it might be expired by now, so we'll go there to pick stuff up. Alright, let's get these bags unloaded. I gotta pull the cedar out too. I might be able to... Oh yeah, I forgot, I got super strength. I can just grow things like they're toys. Whee! So yeah, we got the seed bags. We're gonna unload these guys. You never know, we might have to go back because I just realized we do have multiple. We do got a lot of builds to do. Yeah. I'm gonna go around here and park the trailer. Steady. I would back it in, but this seems like less work, and less work is better. Same outcome, but less work, so I'll take it. Alright. What tractor do I want to use for planting? Let's see. Wonder if 4455 could run it. I don't think it could though. This thing could definitely run it. Pull out the tractors. I'm gonna save this one because this one has the duals on it. Yeah, if I went around. Yeah. So if we refill our solar. Oh yeah, we'll be fine. Really hoping that this track. Oh yeah, this track has We'll start off with field 34. Oh, the weeds are already growing in it. Man. I have to get a weeder. Stay on the road. Oh! It goes at full speed. I just realized I am missing some because it is like as wide as the truck. Oh yeah, this thing's got the power. wheel. Oh man. It's taking me along for a ride, but it's... We're making progress. Wait a minute. We're not even sewing anything. My gosh. You know, rookie mistakes. We're really on a time crunch. Here, go. Come on. Don't stop. Don't stop, old tractor. Oh, doesn't mean you're gonna stop. Actually, yeah, it kind of does mean. You're just gonna be running. Alright, I've got the tractor out here, but I do have to take the Jeep back, because I did take that out, so I might have to walk back and go grab the tractor. But, you know, a little cardio will never hurt. Farm's pretty close, so... On the shortcut. Okay. Yeah, maybe this Jeep has a bit more than I ever thought it would. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I might keep it as, like, instead of, like, a Gator or something, or a Mule, or, like, a Commander or something. Or a UTV. I just said it. Oh. In the garage. I'm going to go grab the tractor. One is wheat, the one that I'm driving by right now, and one of them, and the other two are soybeans. And then I think after all the harvest this year, I think I'll plant corn next year. So. But it's been a good day. Take the ditch route because I don't know. Do save it for. We do have some stuff to do before plants get fully grown. Yeah, we got. Do places to be. I'm gonna get the cedar in. I got it because it's easy to pull and push and stuff. The tires are magically clean again. I do not know how that works, but we'll detach this and I'm just gonna pull this. Washing it, maybe. I might wash it. I've got a 50% chance that I wash it. Alright, cedar's in. I need to turn the light. No, I'm not gonna let me in. What's the light? do not know how to turn off the lights in this. Maybe they're just stuck. Combine. It is an old combine. I might find myself buying a new one. A new used one. Farmer was rich, so we do have money. I could buy it. Alright guys, sorry for the weird cutoff. The video stopped recording, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe or don't subscribe, but it's free, and if you don't want to subscribe, I will find you. I mean, no, I will not. If you don't want to subscribe, don't subscribe.